Mercedes steering lock dead, fix it without tearing the whole clone apart. Fixing Mercedes steering locks if the chassis is W204, W207 or 212. You need to pay attention. When you insert the key into the ignition, cluster doesn't wake up, steering lock doesn't unlock, car won't start, but remote functions are still good. All of these symptoms are classic steering lock failures in Mercedes. Welcome back to Godiag Lab. Could be design flaws or simple wear over time. Bottom line, the steering lock unit is faulty. Removing it the traditional way means pulling the wheel and entire clone. A pain. Today we break down 3 practical repair options you can actually use. Option 1. Repair the OEM steering lock, replace the internal motor, and repair the NEC chip. This is the most cost-effective, but takes most of the time. If the motor is weak, replace it. If the NEC chip firmware is bad, attempt repair, low success rate. Replace the motor. Option 2. Use a donor steering lock or a brand new one and sync it to the vehicle. If it's a used activated donor unit, you must erase the data first. After replacing the used steering lock, read the steering lock data. Check ELV status. System indicates the steering lock is normal. Obtain the erase password. Click Confirm. Select Erase ELV. Click Read ELV data. If the checkbox on the screen is not checked, this indicates the erase was successful. Enter the EIS interface. Click Read EIS data and save. Then enter the password calculation interface. Click Collect Data. Select first generation key and click Confirm. Insert the key into the ignition and click Confirm. Then insert the key into the CGMB. Click Confirm. Next, insert the key into the ignition. Wait for 10 seconds. Remove the key and click Confirm. Follow the prompt to insert the key into the ignition again and confirm. Remove the key and wait for 5 seconds. Insert the key into the ignition again. Click Confirm. Finally, remove the key and insert it into the device. Click Confirm. Data collection completed. Save and upload the collected data. Password calculation successful. Enter the EIS interface. The key password is now displayed. Click Save EIS data. Next, enter the steering lock interface. Click Load File. Select the file we just saved. Click Write ELV data. Click Confirm to complete writing. Insert the key into the ignition. Read ELV data. System indicates activated. Insert and remove the key again for testing. Used steering lock programming completed. Then write the car's original immobilizer data into the unit and activate it using the original key. If lock-unlock cycles normally, proceed to the pairing with the vehicle. Brand new unit, no erasing needed. Just write in the data that includes the lock password. Test lock-unlock. If okay, match to the car and you're done. Option 3. Use a steering lock emulator and sync it to the vehicle. Click Load File. Select the EIS file containing the password. Click Write ELV. Click Confirm to complete writing. Next, we perform testing. You can use the following 2 methods. Method 1. Insert and remove the key once. If the steering lock makes a sound, this indicates the programming is completed. Method 2. Enter the EIS interface. Click Check EIS status. Observe the status bar below 50. Check whether it is checked. Turn the ignition to test. If the status bar is checked, this confirms successful programming. The emulator doesn't physically lock the column, but it's reliable, safe, nothing hanging outside, nothing exposed. And it works across W204, 207, and 212 platforms. Same rules as the OEM lock. Activated emulator. Erase then write brand new emulator. Write directly, test the key starts the car. Install, down. One more thing, since the emulator disables physical lock mode, you only need to confirm the key starts the vehicle normally. And that's 3 practical solutions for the classic Mercedes steering lock failure. Got it, guys? How do you handle the same problem in your field? Drop your experience in the comments. If you think our video is useful, save it to your list and please give us a like. Understanding to hands-on, easier to master tools. I'm Yasser from Godiag. Follow us for more information.